Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 777 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out a product from my March 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box, and this is the Luna Liner from the brand SERAPHINE Botanicals. It's water resistant liquid eyeliner that I got in the shade black. But I'm really excited to get another SERAPHINE Botanicals product because I tried out, it was like a face palette from them before. I did a full dedicated review video on it, so I will have that video linked down below. And I was really excited because it's like a natural brand. It's vegan, GMO free, gluten free, no parabens, not tested on animals, no phthalates, gluten, hypoallergenic. It says it's with kale and ginkgo biloba extracts. No idea what that is. Cute packaging, but I seriously have so many great liquid eyeliners, black liquid eyeliners in my collection now from recent Ipsy boxes that I really did not need another one, but I'm still excited to try it out. Also, eyeliners are just not something that I need tons of because I don't wear liquid eyeliner that often. It doesn't really flatter my eye shape that much in my opinion, so it's not like I go through them very quickly, and now I have too many of them. But so this one has a retail value of $18. Kind of pricey. If you have not seen my unboxing video of my March 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box, I will have that video linked down below. Okay, so it's very pointy. It looks like a felt tip applicator. Here's what it looks like. I'll go ahead and swatch it. Ooh, it's a very flexible, soft felt tip though, which is very pigmented, easy to write with, and has a matte finish. So I like the look of that. I'm gonna go ahead and line my upper lash line. Ooh, that's cool. If you just lightly press down, you can get a very, very thin, precise line. I do like the matte finish on this. And it's pretty easy to use. So there we have. I do like that you can get very, very thin. So I did a thin line in the corner and then made it get thicker towards the outer corner of my eye. And I like the effect of that. I feel like that's the most flattering type of eyeliner for my eye shape. So I'm liking the look of this. So it's supposed to be, yeah, dries down, absolutely no smudging or fading, so that's good. But honestly, like, that's what all of my liquid eyeliners do now. So this is pretty much the standard that I would expect for it not to budge. And this really is not gonna budge, but it's not really impressing me anymore because that's what all of the liquid eyeliners do. So even though this is a really nice applicator, formula, looks good on the eye, it's all around what I would hope for in a liquid eyeliner. It's just not something that's like really an exciting product to me anymore. And if you're spending $18 on this, I would hope this is what you would get for the formula and application. So I'll go ahead and line my other eye. It is easy to get a nice smooth line with this. And I really like how this looks. I could use this to do a winged eyeliner look, but I just don't think I need it with this. I think this gives really nice emphasis to my eyes, and I'm not very good with wings, so I'm really happy with how these look. They actually look very symmetrical, so I'm proud of myself for that. But you know what I could really use a recommendation on is other uses for black liquid eyeliner, because I can't really think of any other way to use it besides lining my upper lash lines. And when I don't even do that often, maybe you can give me a recommendation on other uses for this to use all of my black liquid eyeliners. But so this is good. I'm happy with how it looks. So therefore, I don't need any more black liquid eyeliners from Ipsy for a while, especially now that I have this. I am very stocked up. This is definitely a liquid eyeliner that I would reach for whenever I want to apply one. I like that it has the matte finish to it. But anyways, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.